friends, so today we are going to see a unique video on our channel. So you are going to see my drawing setup, how I shoot my drawings. You will only see the drawing, but you don't see my effort, what I am putting in the drawings. So let's go. So let's start from the very cheapest tripod now. In future I am going to buy a table. It's called some clip in something blah blah blah. So next year our domes, color pencils and then drawing notebook here. And this is a computer table. It was my dad's table. So my old setup was there in my, this is my father's room. So here's the camera brush pen, and there's nothing better in my setup. So you can see I'll just put it right there. When I start, I am using a normal cheapest tripod. I have already told. I'm just I'm keeping my tripod here. I'll keep my camera here, and I'll take the videos like here. Okay, and I'm using OnePlus 70 phone. It's only giving you a camera effect. I'm not using a camera also, just a normal phone, and it gives you awesome brightness, awesome editing. I'm using KineMaster to edit my videos, and that's all. I'll make a detailed video on how to shoot drawing videos. There are more ways, but I'm using this. I'll put a video how to shoot without tripod also, okay? Don't worry, and see you in this video. I think there's nothing in this video, so you can see this is all my cutie puny things to draw, and see you next video. So goodbye.